Yes, excellent day to you, Mr. John. And we shall be having another class today. Today on the science, we shall be looking at the eyes. The eyes. The human eye is an organ that reacts to light and it allows vision. That is, your eyes is an organ that reacts to light. You can remember when the rays of light flashes at your eyes react to it. It's either you leave your eyes open, keep looking at it, or you take your eye away. So it reacts to it immediately, and then it allows vision. Rod and cone cells in the retina allows conscious light perception. That is, there is what we call the rod and cone cells. They are in the retina, that is the part of the eyes that allows conscious light perception. And it also allows vision, including color differentiation and the perception of depth. This part, these cells known as the rod and cone in the retina, they also allows you to have the perception of vision, that is to see, and also to be able to differentiate a color from the other. When you have two colors and you're looking at it, this rod and cone cells helps you to differentiate them. If this is red and if this is yellow. And also perception of the depth. Now the human eyes can differentiate between about 10 million colors. Wow. You see the human eyes as you have it there, and you have about 10 million colors as you before you. Your eyes have the power to differentiate them. To say this one is white, this one is purple, this one is pink, this is yellow, and you differentiate about 10 million colors. Your eyes is so powerful to do that, and is possibly capable of detecting a single photon. Now the eyes is part of the sensory nervous system. The eyes is part of the sensory nervous system. Now you can see it, the image of how it looks like when it is in action. Now, similar to the eyes of other mammals, what we refer to as mammals means other creatures. So similar to other creatures or other mammals, the human eye's non-image, forming photosensitive ganglion cells in the retina, it receives light signals which affect adjustment of the size of the pupils. That is, when this human eyes, it allows you to receive light signals. And when you receive these light signals, it affects the adjustment of the size of the pupils. That is, when you have the rays of light flashing at your eyes, there is a way the pupils, that is that lower small stuff there, there's a way it does the adjustment of the size. It adjusts itself and regulates and suppresses the hormone melatonin and entrainment of the body clock. There is a way the pupil helps you to be able to regulate your eyes to the light that is reflecting at your eyes. And you can see the pupils there in the picture down there. There are two eyes, that is, you have the two of them, the left and the right one, which is situated on the left and the right of the face. They sit in two bony cavities called the orbits, where they are sit, is where we call the bony cavities, and it's called the orbits. Orbit means something that revolve around. Like you can see, your eyes revolves when you try to look at one side, when you move your eyeballs around. Now, which are present in the skull. See, the eyes are present in the skull. Now, there are 6 extraocular muscles attached directly to the eyes. What does it do? It is to assist with movement. So you see, 6 extraocular muscles, they are attached directly to the eyes to assist the movement of the eyes. Now, the front visible part of the eyes is made up of the whitish sclera, a colored iris, and the pupil. Now, a thin layer called the conjunctiva, it sits on top of this. That is, this whitish sclera and the colored iris and the pupil, they sit. This is where the thin layer called the conjunctiva, it sits on top of it. Now, the front part is also called the anterior segment of the eyes. So we are just looking at today, we are just looking at the makeup of the eyes, how it is situated, how it works, and the walls, how it affects each other, how they work with each other, how they complement each other in their functions is just what we look at today. And I believe we've learned something interesting. Now, we are moving to the questions which I have for you, and it's directly from what we've learned today. And it says, there are dash ocular muscles attached directly to the eyes. You are expected to put the right answer in the spaces provided there. And also, the front visible part of the eyes is called dash. The conjunctiva sits on top of the what? You write the answer there. The 2 eyes sit on 2 bony dash. And then you have the human eyes is an dash that reacts to what? To dash. Put your answer there. Thank you very much. We come to the end of the class. I'll meet you again, catch you up again in the next class. Thank you.